I'd like to talk not just about the capstock, which is the surface coating, but I want to go into the core because the core is important. You want something, this chassis, the core, which is PVC cellular technology. What that means, it has a chemical foaming agent. And during the process, the transformation process, these chemicals begin to decompose, giving off gases. The gases are trapped by a polymer, an acrylic polymer, that's also contained. Now, I'll give another interesting story of how this all developed. If you take this product and do a cross-sectional cut, and you look at the appearance of the cell structure, which is, and if you're looking at it on camera, actually you can't even tell where there's individual cells. If you look at some boards that are called cellular or foam to PVC, you can see the cavities, but you can't see it with our board. They're so small and so uniform, which means because of the high silicon dioxide content and the uniform structure of our cells, you get a superior performing product, great durability, great strength underfoot, but also it's going to repel water. Imagine if you had water that's being able to leak into or by capillary action go into a decking board, freeze, thaw, then heat. Eventually it's going to warp, it's going to change its physical integrity, it's going to crack.